This is an interesting time in my tenure with Krones and recycling. We are seeing so much more investment in not just traditional recycling, but exploring all of the other polymers types that have been neglected over the last years, such as film, polypropylene, polyethylene, in addition to our PET portfolio. So we have two projects that are ongoing, the first being Republic Services. They're one of the largest waste haulers in North America, and they're vertically integrating the collection stream into a processing stream, which is pretty groundbreaking for North America, meaning that they own the collection side and now the processing side. The other project we're working with is a company called PureCycle, and they're building up a large polypropylene processing center, which will take post-consumer polypropylene and turn it back into like brand new virgin polypropylene. And this will also be unique as it's going to have its first of its kind hydro circle from Krones installed, which will recirculate 90% of the processed water.
Ba 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 da da.